In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a passkey within your Klarna application to make logging in more easier. So let's get started. First of all, open up the Klarna application. And if you have not already logged into your account, you can proceed with logging in by entering your credentials. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to your homepage. From here, tap on the More option at the bottom right corner, and then tap on Security and Privacy. Inside the Security and Privacy menu, you will find the Passkeys section. Tap on Manage, and then tap on Add Passkey. After tapping on this button, you may choose between your Face ID or your fingerprint and even a hardware wallet. If you have chosen your fingerprint, you will need to provide your fingerprint to the scanner a few times. If you chose your Face ID option, you will need to provide your Face ID to the camera. Choose whichever method you wish to use, and once you have added your passkey, you will be able to log into your account without using your account password by simply using your fingerprint or your biometrics. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a security passkey for easy login on the Klarna application. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.